Chicken dice with fried walnuts. A side dish from China. Serve 6. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Soak the mushrooms in hot water for 10 minutes. Step 2. Chop the walnuts and fry in 2 tablespoons of the oil for 2 minutes. Drain on absorbent kitchen paper to remove all traces of oil. Step 3. Cut the chicken meat into small pieces, fry in remaining oil for 3 minutes over fierce heat, stirring all the time. Mix the cornstarch to a smooth paste with the sherry, soy sauce, salt, and sugar. Step 4. Add to the chicken and drain the mushrooms and chop roughly. Add to the pan and cook for 2 minutes. Add the walnuts. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.